Hello friend, today I am going to share a new website. This website name is goldfill.com. In this website, how to create content, how to generate profit on this website. If you want more video like this, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more update for more video. Now guys, you can see here my website is open. I provide this website link in description box. First of all, you can see how to create account on this website. Please enter your email address. Now you can see enter your email address. Please enter your password, enter your confirm password, enter your transaction password, enter your invitation code, then click the sign up button. After click the sign up button, your account has been successful registration. I click the login now button, and you can see enter email and password, then click login in immediate. Now you can see my account is successfully login, and now you can see here welcome to Goldfield. Congratulations, there many customers have received team 24-hour recharge bonus today. You should also work hard to invite more friends to join and see the opportunity. You can also read out new billet. Now you can see new position. You can also check here at few different plan. You can see auto recharge in the first way. Click the recharge button, and you can see the secure copy link. And if you can manage your recharge done, you can see you can also download this application. You can also check different plan. You can also check a download application. Company profile. You can also check company profile. You can also check board of registration. You can also check, and you can also read out. You can also gold investment plan. You can see. And you can see here guys, my current level is VIP1, and you can see income. You can also check investment plan 00, and team you can also check invitation code, copy link, and share on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram group, Telegram channel, other social media for more update, for more benefit. You can see team A, team PC. You can also earning 3 level of question. Here show investment plan. Now you can see my current level is VIP1, daily profit 2.699, and you can also VIP2, VIP2 daily profit 60, VIP3, VIP4, VIP5, VIP7, VIP9, VIP10. Now you can see here, click here investment, and you can see and investment now, and you can see invest. You can see click here. You can see successfully purchasing. Now you can see now successfully purchasing done, and you can see in front page. You can see front page, and you can see my total available balance, total wallet balance, how to withdraw amount. First of all, you can see click here withdraw my button and enter your wallet address. So enter my wallet address here. Now you can see click submit button. Now you can see here, and you can see click submit button now. Now guys, you can see enter my amount password, then click the submit button. Now you can see here guys, my withdrawal successful when I receive. Now guys, you can see I receive my withdrawal. You can see 2.69 USDT. You can also